name is Jayla, and I am a budding scientist. Some time ago, I wanted to know how ice made my milk cool. I learned that heat moves from a place of higher temperature to a place of lower temperature, and this is called cooling. Now, I have observed something else. If I leave the cubes of ice in my milk long enough, they eventually melt and there is a thin layer of water on top of the milk. I want to know, how exactly did the heat cause the ice to melt and change into liquid?
That is a very good question, Jayla. And there is a scientific explanation. We know that if ice is not in a freezing environment, it will melt. Now we need to know what exactly happens during melting. I will give you a clue. The answer has something to do with particles. All matter is made up of tiny particles. The particles in a solid are packed tightly together and they have little energy. They don't move that much. The particles in a liquid, though, are more fluid, so they move around more freely. A solid can change to a liquid when enough heat affects it. Heat gives particles more energy, and enough heat energy can cause particles to move away from each other. When this happens, the substance changes its state. When heat causes the particles in a solid to move apart and form a liquid, it is called melting. Can you identify the other states of matter in this room? How do you think the particles are arranged? Now, based on Jayla's observation, when the heat moved from the liquid to the ice, the heat gave the particles in the ice more energy and they moved apart, changing the state of the ice from solid to liquid. There you have it. We have answered Jayla's question. So you see, there is a scientific explanation to many things in your daily life. What question do you have today?
Join us next time on Everyday Science, where we will explore more questions. And remember, science is fun!